at this. Look at that. There's literally zero smoke coming off it. Yes. Call this burdock base camp.
Well, that's much better than last time. So I'm still stealthing, but this one's more of a wild camp because I'm not so close to the road. I've pushed myself further back. I had no clue that this forest here was like so large. So next time I may even go further back in. But the plans for today were get the tent up and make a Dakota fire hole. It's the first time I've ever made one. And seeing as I am stealthing, kind of, I think it's the best situation to make a Dakota fire hole in. We'll see how much smoke comes out of it. It's the first time making it, so yeah, let's get to it. Oh, by the way, this only took me about 5-10 minutes to set up, so second time I've set it up and it's only taken 5-10 minutes now, so spot on. So I'm going to make the Dakota fire hole right here, and then just there where I put my stick, it might be just out of view. I'm going to make a chair, make a bench, stuff like that. This could be a proper base camp if you want it to. You hear the wind, very windy day. The trees are swinging above me and knocking. I'll show you that. Of course there was a log right where I wanted to dig, a massive one at that. Hole one, done. So I've gone about 1.5 feet wide, nearly 2 foot deep. Gonna do the same for the other one, but a little narrower on the top, and then just dig a hole between the two. You've got your Dakota fire hole. This will be a good test to see if it works in this sort of soil as well, because I've only seen videos of people doing this in ideal conditions, so with clay. These big roots are the bane of my life. Time to dig a hole to the other side. Ooh, now I've got to try and transfer it. There's literally no smoke coming off that right now. So to start with, there's a bit of smoke as it burns the wet logs and gets to a certain temperature, but once it gets hot enough, the smoke completely dissipates. Look at this. Look at that. Absolutely nothing. Look how much draft that's getting from the draft hole as well. There's literally zero smoke coming off it. Yes. Look at it. It's absolutely nothing.
Call this burdock base camp. Yes. Okay, okay. Okay, that's working. Just keep going, Jamie. Yes! That is the first time I've ever split a log that long and I nailed it. That is exactly what I wanted to do. Thank you, Smooth Fixed, showing me the way. Good on her. But you know what people are like. I just burnt my eyes so much. Oh, my eyes. That's ready. Oh, it's perfect. I'm actually gonna down this because, as you can see, it's dark. It's like 9:30. I'm gonna down this and then I'm gonna have this soup as well. And that should be done.
Oh my god, that's a cat. Oh my god, let's get the show. Didn't know the cat was laying on my bed, stuck my foot out.
Oh, that smells really nice. Oxtail soup. I've been waiting to eat this. Yeah, that's exactly how I was hoping it tasted. I knew it was either going to be really, really good or really, really bad, and I think it's really good.
So it probably will come in the morning. If it's to me, it'll be like early afternoon when it comes tomorrow. It's not going to come tomorrow, it's just Saturday, isn't it?
Oh, that's so nice. Oh, I've been waiting on cooking this oxtail soup forever, and that's so nice. And I haven't cooked it so it's boiling hot, so I can just eat all of it now because I'm absolutely marvin. So I've got a few logs here that I've split. I'm going to keep them for next time. I've got these two big ones I need to split still. This hanger, best thing I've ever made. Shout out TA Outdoors, saw it from that. I'm just going to enjoy this soup now, let that fire die down, and then head off into my tent.